Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time here. So today's video is going to be on 5 styles you could do on your hair. Be you locked or not, this is very applicable to you, and if this is something you're interested in, do keep on watching. So for this style, you're going to need water, which I have in my spray bottle, edge control, rubber bands, and also the tiny black bands. And then I'm going to go over to spritzing my locks, because you want to have your hair really moisturized for this process. And then because this is a bangs edition, you're going to section out a portion of your hair that you would like to fall as bangs. After doing that, it's very advisable you pack the other part so it's not going to disrupt. And then you're going to take 2 out of the already sectioned hair and you're going to divide it, and then you're going to palm roll it, as you can see me doing. After palm rolling it, you're going to twist them together. So what you're going to do, you're not going to twist it the regular method. You're going to twist in the opposite direction of what you normally do. The reason why we are twisting in the opposite direction is so that the twist can stay in place whether or not you use rubber bands to hold it. So this is more applicable to locks. If you have loose natural hair, you can twist it the regular method and it's still not going to unravel. But this is like a lock problem, so yeah. So after twisting, I'm just going to use those tiny rubber bands to hold the tip to secure it. This is very optional, but I'm just going to do it in this video. If you haven't subscribed, this is the right time for you to do so. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up, you'll be the first person to know. Like this video, please like it, it's very important. So if you look closely, you're going to see what I'm doing. I did it on the second side so that you're going to have proper understanding of what I'm going to twist, and enjoy. So let me add this. The reason we are not doing a lock knot is because our locks are too short to achieve a lock knot. Lock knots for fringe on short or medium hair is going to look like bantu knots and you're going to be so funny. So this is a better alternative. So the best part about the styles I'm showing you is that there are styles you could do under 5 minutes and you don't need to have your hair retwisted for you to achieve the style. And I just resprayed, refreshed my hair with water because it was already getting dry, brushed it up, and then to the first style of the day. We are going to be doing a half up, half down. So basically, this is very self-explanatory. You're going to divide your hair into 2 and you are going to pack the first half. So I did like a messy bun, there's no thought process into this. But if you like your own a bit, more secure, you can take your time to do it. These styles are very much self-explanatory, so I don't have a lot to, say on this, but subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is for people who don't like hair touching them, and that's my kind of people, so ooh. As well as this here, you can, give me video suggestions of what you would like to see. Okay, so different strokes for different folks. Everybody have what they like to see on YouTube. So leave in the comments videos you like to watch on YouTube, and if it's within my power, I'm going to create them. Yeah, that's basically it. I think at this point, I'm going to accept that I am big on messy buns. I like my buns like this. I have accepted that this is my kind of bun. Very free-spirited and no thought process to it. I really love this style. I'm feeling it a lot. Do comment your favorite style. Go comment what you would like to try in this video. And if you have tried any of them, leave me a comment. How was it like? Just interact with me in the comment section. I'm always there. I'm always present. All right. I honestly like how I'm coming in like a thief and going out. Voiceovers are so cool. So if you're trying this style, I'm going to say that it's best if you actually use the bigger bands twice, because when I was trying this with the smaller one, the thing actually cut. And if you have a lot of hair at the back like mine, if you're not comfortable going out like this, you could just use a scissors to shave out those excess hairs. I do sometimes. I also use shaving stick, but these are not so compulsory, Sha, but you know now, you know the vibe. Do what you want. This is a great time for you to subscribe and like this video if you haven't done so already. So on this day, I actually wish I wore a satin scarf to go out because everywhere was so dusty. Satin scarves are very essential because they help retain moisture, and it can also protect your hair from all those deadly things that could make it dirty. So after doing this, I adjusted it because I wanted to try it out covering my ears, and I prefer it this way personally. I like to cover my ears a bit when I'm tying my scarf, and you know, do what makes you happy. There are no rules, you make the rules, and that's the great part about life sometimes. So this style is very low tension. I went out like this and you know, it was good vibes. Laid my edges because we got be slick, okay? And yeah. I am no pro at edges. So I couldn't just give you guys a detailed edge moment. And I, you know, lady, and oh my gosh, this is so dramatic, but ooh. So this is the final look. This is what I left the house with. I also used bobby pins to secure the sides because my hair isn't so long and they could run out. You know, hairs can be stubborn. And yeah, we are at the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share which style I'm going to be trying, and you know, it's like come your way next time. It's just Uchey.